Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode from my What's in My Kit series. My name is Amia Serrano and I'm a fashion stylist. Today I'll be sharing Topstick. What Topstick really is toupees. I was put onto this by a colleague of mine who's a makeup artist and also special effects makeup artist, Megan Hester. Shout out to Megan. After using this and then using the other kind, the kind that's actually used for double-sided tape and not toupees, it does not work the same. Like, this is legit. Like, I don't use anything else. I have it in two sizes. So the first size I have is 1/2 by 3-inch strip. So how you take it off is you're gonna go on the clear side, because this is the actual, like, you can't really see it, but the clear side is the side that you're gonna pull everything apart. Also have the bigger strips, which is 1 by 3 inches. So these are a lot thicker. Not thicker, these are actually a lot wider. Would use it if you want something to close a little bit more so it doesn't slide or doesn't crinkle, or you don't want it flopping like this. You're gonna tape it down with that double-sided tape. You wanna do a cuff, or I mean, anything you need to like stick, you're gonna use Topstick. I use this on jeans, I use this on cotton, on satin, silk, you name it, I use it, and it comes off really easily too, and it doesn't leave like a residue or anything like that. Say like you run out of the smaller strips, you can just cut these ones up. But I have both sizes just to have in my kit, just to be safe. Both boxes come with 50 strips. This has actually lasted me a very, very long time. So you won't have to re-up on these a lot, unless you use a lot. I mean, that's on you, but this has actually been lasting me a very long time. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because in this series, I'm gonna share everything that's in my kit. So make sure you share, like, and subscribe for more.